This happens sometimes. An app stops responding and you're stuck. Let's fix it. If an app stops responding or your PC feels stuck, Task Manager is the quickest way to regain control. In this video, I will show you how to safely close frozen programs. To open Task Manager, right-click the Start button and choose Task Manager. There's also a shortcut I use a lot, and it's pressing Ctrl+Shift+Escape on the keyboard. The Processes tab lists all running apps and background processes. Click the CPU or memory column to sort and see which app is using the most resources. If an app is frozen, right-click it and select End Task. This forces Windows to close the program and free up its memory immediately. If your taskbar or desktop icons stop responding, find Windows Explorer, right-click it, and select Restart. This refreshes the interface without restarting your whole PC. That's the quickest way to recover from most app freezes. In Part 2, we'll explore how to monitor your system performance. Hope this was helpful. Feel free to subscribe to Libertechia if you'd like to keep learning with me. See you soon!